Sarah, I don't know what you felt, but after that episode we recorded about government incentives for house improvements, they seemed quite small compared to the larger ideas we're looking at, and I have to say I felt quite deflated. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I think you have to start somewhere, and to have any sort of schemes in place is a step in the right direction. But I am divided. I think it's great that something is happening, but I don't think enough is happening, and it's certainly not happening quick enough. How did you feel?
Yeah, I mean, I want something far more radical to happen, and I hope those processes are going through the thoughts of planners and government at the moment. Something I did today and I really felt I needed to do was go up the top of the tower and get a view across Peel and the Manx landscape and get a real feel of the bigger potential. Just the perspective, the visual perspective of being up and looking down on the small little world we live in, and the perhaps the petty problems, and also realising that the system that exists and that the MHKs have to work with, it is a democratic system and can end up working at the pace of the most resistant member of that government. So that is part of the process. But over the years, things have changed, and there have been some very radical changes, even on quite a conservative island. So, it's important to get that perspective and hold out hope.
Right. Hello from the top of the Cathedral, St Germans Cathedral Tower. And as you can see, this is what it's like to be a wind turbine, a wind turbine blade. I'm up at this extra height, you can probably barely hear me, so I expect we'll subtitle this, but it just goes to show at this height the wind is far more stable and consistent. This is the resource we have on the island. So let's get a bit of perspective on things then. If we look northwards, perhaps in the future we'll be seeing a tidal scheme, a barrage with a tidal scheme generating energy for much of the 24-hour cycle, because energy is generated both as the tide rises and the tide falls. And over there you can see Peel Power Station. Imagine